So what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. PATREX Pro 4.0, which is one of the most viral forex robot now, was released yesterday, and this robot has also been voted as one of the best forex robot to pass any forex prop firm. All right, so on today's video I want to be able to put PATREX Pro to the test. All right, because I'm somebody that will be able to consume my own medication. I'll be able to take my own vaccines. So this same robot I'm talking about is the same robot you see every day. I'm using it to pass challenges like this. So I'm going to put it to test on a live account. I just purchased this, my Forex fund account, $50,000 account, and I'm going to be putting PATREX Pro 4.0 to action, and let's see how fast we're going to be able to take to pass phase 1 on this particular account. I'm very confident on my analysis, and when I have an analysis like this, if it goes my way, I take a couple of hours and I already passed the entire challenge. So let's get into my computer and I'll be able to show you guys. Okay, so as you can see on my computer, on this particular currency pair, the currency pair I'm going to be doing my analysis, or the currency pair I've done my analysis on for this particular trade is what is Great Britain Pound USD, and this is the 5-minute time frame. So according to my analysis, I've already concluded that Great Britain Pound USD is going to be bullish for the entire day, or Great Britain Pound USD is going to be bullish for this entire market session. All right, so that's why if you can see the account number, that's the account number, that's my forex fund. And if you use my forex fund, you already know that's the broker they use. You can see that's the robot right there, that's the robot right there, PATREX Pro 4.0, that's PATREX Pro 4.0. So everything is set. You can see already I just started everything. Let me just show you guys the back end of the robot. On the back end of the robot, you can see I made my decision, and my decision is what? Buy only. So I'm only going to be buying, because according to my analysis, I'm seeing that Great Britain Pound USD is going to be bullish for the entire day. So that's why you see I have here buy only. And since for Great Britain, for my forex fund phase 1, they give you 8%. You need to make 8% to pass phase 1. That's why you see I have here 8%. 8% is just 0.08, right? So that's why you see here I have 0.083. The 0.083 is so that by the time I'm hitting 8%, which is going to be about $4,000, let's just assume if I have to pay commission and spreads, I should also still be able to have 8,000. That's why I put 0.083, right? So that I should be able to have about 4,200 by the time the robot is closing all the trade. So that even if there are commissions and spread, I should have the exact 8% to pass my challenge within a couple of hours or within a day. That's it. And then on this one is going to be able to protect my account to make sure I don't violate the daily drawdown rule. That is why if you see here, I have negative 0.042. All right, I'm not going to be going into the details of all this. There are more than 80 different parameters here, but anytime you purchase the robot, it comes with more than 80 videos, that is more than 20 videos that explain all these things. All right, good. So on this particular parameter, close by balance ratio, the negative direction, I'm putting 0.042 because I don't want my 5% daily drawdown to be hit. If the market doesn't go my way, which happens sometimes, I want to only be able to lose about 4% of my account, so that I can be able to come back the following day and recover the entire account. All right, so I always, in most of my account, phase 1 and phase 2, I becomes very aggressive. I always give myself 2 trials. All right, 2 trials. If I come the first trial, I'm risking 4%. The first day it doesn't go through, the following day, no matter what, when I come back again, I'm still going to be risking another 4%, and I'll be able to recover the entire account. But in most cases, 90% of the time, I used to hit all the 8% in the first day. Let's see what happens. So those are the parameters. You can see that is our lot size. The trading time here is false, because as soon as we hit our target, we want to be able to stop trading for the day. So that is PATREX Pro at work, and now we're not going to do anything again. We're just going to sit and wait for the notification to come on our phone like this notification you are seeing. If it hits our target, anytime it hits our target, all the trades are going to close, and they will just send me a notification to let me know that I've already passed phase 1 and all the trades are closed. And if it doesn't go my way, they will still send me a notification to let me know the market didn't go my way, and all the trades have been able to close at minus maybe minus 3.5% or minus 4%. So either way, I'll be able to keep you guys posted. But I'm so positive on this particular trade, and I believe we are going to hit all phase 1, and I believe we're going to pass phase 1 within a couple of hours. It can take 2 to 3 hours and we'll pass phase 1. So I'll keep you guys posted. Let me go again on the VPS section of the robot so that you guys can just confirm. Let me just check here again. Let's go here and confirm. Good. Then I'm going to go on the VPS side of the robot. Let me just put this this 0.01 just so I get something updated. Good. So let's go on the VPS side of the robot. So this is my VPS, and I'm just going to click on upgrade or migrate so that I can migrate the current settings I've just updated. You can see that it's migrate. You can see that's the account number, my Forex fund. For those who are doubting, that's my Forex fund evaluation phase 1, and I just purchased a VPS for the account. All right. So that is it, guys. I'll be able to keep you guys after a couple of hours after we've gotten our results, and we'll still do an in-depth analysis on what is going on in the market. Peace.
A few hours later.
So it's been almost about 3 hours. Remember, we started our trade at 11 a.m. South African time or 9 a.m. GMT. You can see, according to my computer, I started somewhere here at around 11 a.m. and this is almost 3 p.m. All right. So the trade has been running for almost about 3 hours, 13 minutes. The market has been consolidating mostly the whole of today. So can you see, PATREX PRO still handles consolidated markets very, very well. Can you see this? And we are already up. Can you see we are up with almost about $2,199. That's almost about 5%. So we are already almost about 5% up. If this was phase 2 where you just need to make 5%, then we would have already been passing the challenge. All right, so we are running at around $2,000, and our target for today is $4,000 on this particular analysis. So let's see, this is Forex trading. The market might still go against me and even hit my stop loss on -3% because I'm risking 3% on this trade. All right, so I'm risking 3% to go for 8%, and PATREX PRO is doing everything on the back end. The only thing I just had to do was to do my analysis. All right, that was the only thing I had to do my analysis, then bring in PATREX PRO. You can see that's it right there, PATREX PRO 4.0. all right, the latest version that was just released and it's accepted. This is my Forex fund and I'm using the same robot. All right, if you can see here on the panel, we have a total of 25 trades. Our profit here is almost about $1,999 or $2,000. Our balance now is on about $52,000, and we can close or we can still use these panels. So that is what is happening, guys. Let's just wait for a couple of hours. I believe we're going to be getting our result in an hour latest. So we're either going to be hitting our take profit, or it's either going to go against us and hit our stop loss. But my bias, if my analysis is correct, this market is going to keep going up. We are still bullish on this particular currency pair, and we're going to be hitting our take profit. All right, so I'll keep you guys posted. Either way, I'll keep you guys posted. But this is actually PATREX PRO 4.0 at work with my Pro firm, almost about to pass phase 2 or almost about to pass phase 1 within 4 hours. So let's see, I'll keep you guys posted.
1 hour later.
Guys, you've got to stop playing. You've got to stop playing. You've got to stop playing. This is PATREX PRO 4.0. I'm just showing you guys an example on my own account, and guess what, it's been almost about 4 hours. We had a consolidation today. So for those who have been saying, no, your robot is only good on a trending market, the whole of today we've had a consolidated market. I'm going to be showing you guys in a minute, and guess what, within a day, PATREX PRO has just taken our account from 0 to +8%. So PATREX PRO has passed the whole challenge within a day, within 4 hours. All right, not even within 3 hours, PATREX PRO already passed the prop firm challenge. The reason why I recorded this video is because I wanted to show you guys step by step how I do this on a daily basis. You have to follow me on Instagram, because on Instagram, every day I share screenshots of these. People say, no, maybe they're all screenshots, maybe it's a demo. Everyone they see the prop firm, maybe it's this. I wanted us to go through step by step today, and you guys have seen. You guys, I showed you guys when I was launching the trade, how I did my analysis to be able to pick the market direction. Then I brought in PATREX PRO. PATREX PRO managed all the risks and everything. I only just got this notification on my phone. You can see that's a notification right there. Let me show you. You can see that's a notification right there. I'm going to be putting the screenshot. That's the only notification I got on my phone telling me PATREX PRO has already hit +8%, passing phase 1 within a day, within 4 hours. Stop playing. Stop playing, guys. This is PATREX Pro 4.0. At least you can spread the news now. You can go and tell your friend to tell his friend to tell her friend or whosoever that PATREX Pro is the only Forex robot or the best Forex this period. Even though it's my Forex robot, but I'm saying this with certainty. I consume my own medication. I take my own vaccines. Alright, that's why I'm using my own robot on my own pro firms on a daily basis. That is the result, guys. That is the result. Now come with me. Let's go into the trade and I'll be able to walk you guys step by step how I did my analysis, how I choose the market direction, and how we've been able to hit 8% past phase 1 challenge on this particular account within 4 hours. So normally they'll even give you 30 days, but normally I don't use more than a day to pass my challenges because of PATREX Pro. Alright, this won't be possible manually. Alright, so if we come on my computer, you can see, let's just even start on the robot panel. You can see it's right there, Godlove PATREX Pro. If you check here, PATREX Pro version 4.0. Can you see PATREX Pro version 4.0? Then if you come down here, you can see the balance here is what? $54,071. All right, I just wanted $4,000 so that I could hit 8%. 8% of $50,000 is $4,000. On the next phase, I just need 5%. 5% is just about $2,500. No matter what, I'll pass. No matter, even if I'm cursed, I'll still have 5% to pass that phase. So you can see this is our balance here: 54,000. Everything is closed. Everything is closed. You can see the only thing moving here is just the spread. The only thing which is measuring the spread. But beside that, everything is closed. Everything is done for the day. You can see. Now come with me on the chart. Again, on this particular section, you can see this is where we got in. This is what they call picking snapper entries. We got in somewhere here. Where is my box again? I'm just going to bring that box. Let me customize and bring in the box, guys. Let me customize and bring in the rectangle. Insert, then move up. Good. So you can see this is where we got in somewhere here. This is what we call snapper entries. Let me increase the size. All right. This is what we call snapper entries. We got in somewhere here and you saw what the market has been doing for the whole day. The market has been forming these higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, which is a clear uptrend. And finally here, boom, the zone was broken somewhere here. And by the time the zone was broken, we were already out of the trade. We were already out of the trade. We were already done for the day because you can see the whole history. This is the whole history. That is the same account number, everything. By the time the robot even break this particular resistance, it already hit our plus 8%. Meaning, even if I was still on this trade, I was just calculating, I would have been on plus $10,000 by now. That's plus 20%. $10,000 or $50,000 is 20%. That means the robot, if I was still on this particular trade, you can see the market shoot up immediately. If I was still on this particular trade, I would have been on plus 20% by now. But it would have been useless because remember, this is a pro firm challenge. I needed just 4% to pass phase 1. So once I needed just 8% to pass phase 1. So long as I've hit my 8%, I'm done. I can't be wasting time again. So you guys have already seen that's the history. Now, which other thing again? What you can see down here, you can see my balance. That's my balance. That's my equity. Everything is closed. If I go on my history, this is something that you guys will see. The robot gave me 100% accuracy. That means I had no loser. I had no loser. PATREX Pro, go spread the news. PATREX Pro took almost about 50 trades and had 0 losers. Oh, 0 trader was a loser. 0. Let me show you guys the history. If I pull up this, let me just pull up. This is today. Can you see? Those are the trades I took today on PATREX Pro. All the trade 100% green, 100% no loser, 100% accuracy. Now, since I've been able to show you guys this on the MT5, come with me now. Come with me on this other side. Let me show you guys on my Forex Fund website, on the dashboard of my Forex Fund. So that if you are still doubting, let's see the analytics. Because these analytics are very, very powerful for us to be able to analyze and know the performance of our strategy. So come with me on the other end of my Forex Fund. Good. So here you can see, let me just put my recording on. Okay, recording. Good. So here you can see I'm on the back side of my Forex Fund. You can see days left, 30 days. So my Forex Fund is even still giving me 30 days to trade this account when I've already passed the account. PATREX Pro 4.0 has already passed the account within 4 hours. but they are still within 3 hours, but they are still giving me 30 days. You can see there 30 days. The status, what does it say? The status, it says active. The account is still active. That is the same account number. And if I check somewhere here, you can see that is the same account balance I showed you guys on the computer. And if I check here, you can see profit target was just 4,000. That's they needed just 4,000 for phase 1 to be passed. And how much did we make today? We made $4,071. That's 8.1%. 8.1%, and we were done. Now let's see the analysis. We took a total of trades per day. We took a total of 31 trades. We're not taking so many trades. A total of 31 trades, and what happened? We're using almost about 30 lot on, because each individual trade we just keep back. But as soon as the market keep pumping, you already know the strategy behind PATREX Pro. I don't need to explain. So that is the lot size we use. The currency pair was just one currency pair, Great Britain pound USD, and then the average profit per trade was almost about $150, and the win rate is 100% win rate. Stop playing. Go tell your mentor that the mentor of all mentors is giving them, he's going to give them their robot, he's going to give them his robot for them to try out. All right, go tell your mentor. Maybe your mentor is going to come and see me to ask for the robot to give you to try. All right, anyway, fun fact, let's come back to something serious. That is the back end of my Forex Fund account. I wanted to do this on a small account because anytime I show this on a bigger account, like maybe a $200,000 account or $300,000, it gets intimidating. People don't take it serious. But let me come down to your same level, because I know 90% of people are going to be able to afford maybe $25,000 account, $50,000 account, or $100,000 account. That's why I'm showing you guys these examples on this. I consider this a small account. All right, and you guys can see within a day, PATREX Pro took the account and PATREX Pro was able to pass phase 1 within a day. Then for all, let's come back to this particular screen again. For most of you guys who used to say, no, your robot is only good on trendy market. If the market is consolidating, your robot won't handle, your robot will blow, blah, 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 blah. You can see since morning, immediately I got into this trade, since morning, the market has been consolidating. The market was only able to break that particular range, that particular consolidating range, just somewhere here. So for almost about 3 hours, the market has been consolidating. And what happened? The robot was still holding on to the trade. All right, the robot was still holding on to the trade until it hit my target. Now let's just go to the 4-hour time frame, and I'll be able to show you guys the basics of my analysis. Right? It's very, very simple. If I can just come on the 4-hour time frame, I was just using this break and retest. As simple as that. As simple as that. So I was waiting for this break and retest since Monday. Since Monday, this area was broken, and I remember I shared a screenshot on Instagram, and I told you guys I was waiting for the market to pull back and give me a retest on this particular resistance, and I'll be taking my trade on the break and retest. And what happened? The market went up, pulled back, and as soon as by the close of the New York session yesterday, the market was somewhere here. So I knew very well from my analysis and from my experience, anytime the London market opened, after maybe 1 or 2 hours after the London market opens the London market opens at around 8 a.m. my time or 9 a.m. my time. But even after that, you need to give about 1 or 2 hours, the market for big banks to be able to take their positions, liquidity provider, hedge funds, and then the market is going to take one direction. So that's why you see most of the time, I get in at 11 a.m. my time, which is the same as 9 a.m. GMT. Or if I'm not available at that time, I come back and I only get in again by 2 p.m. my time, which should be 12 noon GMT. So I have specific time which I get into the market, which I know the market is going to be taking one direction. The market is going to be trending. All right. So that is what happened. Immediately I saw, I don't complicate. Keep it simply stupid. The key strategy, you guys already know, keep it simply stupid. So I just got in somewhere. The market was pulling up here, and I was just waiting for this pullback. As soon as we got this pullback, what happened? You can see I got in here, and the market has been shooting. This is a 4-hour time frame. Immediately I got in here, the market has been shooting up since what? Since morning, the market was consolidating around this particular resistance or this particular support. This resistance has become a support. And see, after that particular range was broken, and we are in an uptrend, which is confirmed on the lower time frame. So that's how I was able to do my analysis. So what I do is the best I have different Forex robots, but the best Forex robot that has given me a lot of money is a Forex robot that I should be able to have a degree of control. If you see in a robot that somebody just promised you, just plug this thing and just forget, the robot is going to look for signals and buy. Trust me. Just tell me an example of a robot, and then I'll be able to tell you that person is trying to scam you. For you to be able to make money with robotic trading, that's why I advise you should be able to already have an idea of trading before you can even talk about robotic trading. All right. So for you to make money with robotic trading, you need to first of all understand manual trading, how to determine your setups. Then you come in now, so that when you are taking a trade, the robot should only come in to eliminate trading emotions, to manage your trade, to manage risks, manage money, and eliminate second guessing in your trading. And that's what happened. I've been busy the whole day shooting videos, working on Godlove University, designing a certificate and stuff. But coming here, I only just opened my computer when I got the message, profit target hit. So you see, you do your analysis on the higher time frame, and on the lower time frame, you bring in the robot on the lower time frame, since the robot is candlestick dependent. That is what I do every day. I do my analysis on the 4-hour time frame. Then as soon as the market gets to that level, I bring in my robot. And if according to my analysis, I know that the market is going to be going up, my robot is going to be on buy only. All right, then boom. You're just going to keep money. Even if I just put it at that point in time and the market doesn't go down and it keeps going on the opposite direction, the robot is able to handle that. The robot is still going to be able to handle the robot understands that I need to be able to give that trade room to breathe. So this is just an example of PATREX Pro doing what it does best. And I just wanted to be able to show you guys the process from the start to the end, so that for all the Thomases who wants to see before they believe, this is PATREX Pro on my account. Anytime you see screenshots again on my Instagram, you won't be doubting, because this is the same. You will see in a way on my Discord. Make sure you join my Discord community, because on a Discord we have a separate channel. We have a separate channel dedicated for PATREX Pro discussions only. Even when you purchase PATREX Pro, it comes with almost about 20 videos that will teach you how to even use robotic trading, make money with robotic trading, and at the end of the day, you'll be certified as a Forex or algorithmic Forex trader. All right. After that certification, you'll be able to have a certificate that looks like this. So PATREX Pro comes with a certificate. So you can imagine it comes with a certificate. So make sure you join my Discord link below to be able to join PATREX Pro discussion about more than 500 members who are using PATREX Pro on a daily basis. And talking about PATREX Pro, if you want to use PATREX Pro, you can always just check the link on the video description. Don't buy it from any other way. That is strictly a scam. You will never get the robot and you will never get your money back. So always check the links on my video description. Make sure you check out this particular video, which talks a little bit about how PATREX Pro operates, how you can install PATREX Pro. Check out this robotic playlist. Click here to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on these other videos. Peace.